Hey, there we go, and the drone will fly. All right, let's bring it back. Oh, let's see, can I fly this thing back? No. Hey gadget fans, over the year we've seen many different ways to control drones. Controllers, phone, hand movements, but can you control a drone with just your mind? If you've seen our other videos, you know we're huge fans of drones, and we're always on the lookout for new or interesting drones. Recently, one drone caught our attention, the UDrone, which claims to be a drone you can control with your mind. We've got it here with us today in the studio, so let's see if it works. The UDrone comes with a drone body, extra propellers, a propeller tool, safety guards, 2 batteries, and a charging cable. To use the mind control features, you'll need the UMind Lite, which comes with the UMind headset and a charging cable. Right now on Kickstarter, you can get all of this for $279, making it one of the cheapest drones we've ever used. Okay, so I've got the headset on, the drone is ready. All I have to do is press the brain icon and think about flying. There we go. All I have to do is think about flying. Hey, there we go, and the drone will fly. All right, let's bring it back. Oh, let's see, can I fly this thing back? No. So the brain controls do work, but it takes some time to get used to. Focusing and relaxing controls the drone's height, tilting your head controls the direction of the drone, and turning your head causes the drone to rotate. Biting down on your back teeth will cause the drone to land, and you can also fly the drone with your phone, which offers more precise control. So after using the drone for a few days, what do I think about it? Well, when reviewing drones, I like to look at a few key factors, like the size, battery, camera quality, and any software features. For the size, the UDrone is definitely the smallest drone I've ever flown. And there are some advantages to that. It's super portable, even with all the accessories. It's small enough to just toss into any bag. And you can easily fly it indoors, which is something I definitely wouldn't recommend doing with larger drones. But also due to its size, it's not as stable in high winds. Luckily, it comes with these safety guards because we have crashed this thing a whole lot. With the small size also comes small batteries. Now these small drones are known for short flight times, and with the UDrone, I was averaging about 15 minutes for charge, which is not great. And charging the batteries can also be pretty annoying. You have to put them in the drone, then charge through this micro USB port, so you can't fly and charge at the same time. As for the camera quality, there's not much to say. You can see some of the footage here. I'd put it on par with a 5-year-old cell phone. Good enough for social media, but not really professional quality. Also, the drone doesn't have a gimbal, so you can't change the angle of the camera. Lastly, the software features. Now, for the most part, I really like the software features. The app is well made and easy to use. Calibrating the drone and headset is simple and only takes a few seconds. Now, the drone has a selfie mode where you can trigger photos just by blinking or by making a peace sign, which works without any issues. Now, the software feature that I thought was lacking is the subject tracking. Perhaps I've been spoiled by using DJI's amazing Active Track, but UDrone subject tracking just didn't work for me most of the time. It was able to keep the subject in frame, but couldn't follow the subject like was promised on their Kickstarter. So what are my final thoughts? Flying the UDrone with the UMind headset is probably the most fun I've ever had with a drone. Would I use it for professional video? No, but it's a casual drone that's more about the fun of flying than the image quality. And it's so small you can have it with you at all times. And also, it's a drone that has mind control. I mean, that's still pretty cool to me. Thanks for watching this edition of GiGadgets. If you like this video, you know what to do. Hit that like button and subscribe for all the best in tech gadgetry.